Yeah. Do that, Elena.
Hey guys, and here goes another daily vlog from JDMNEDU. And today, what we're working with is not cars.
We're cleaning. This is a
project
home
remodel.
improvement.
Home improvement.
Oh, before?
No.
Man.
But you guys are gonna see
That
the
boy got his
transformation.
gloves on.
Let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on. Wait, what?
What you doing, Elena?
I'm cleaning and I don't know. I'm cleaning, taking out the stuff. We're about to paint the walls. We don't know what color it is.
She put makeup on, y'all. I did it.
She's a head ass.
I did it.
White
Put makeup on. Michelle, hi y'all.
My sister-in-law.
Oh, shit. I'm sweeping, you know. I've moved some big stuff already. And to be honest, let me tell y'all. This job pays.
This job.
Yeah. Okay.
Head ass. I have this room clean.
David.
Our plan is to put a new frame here. Paint the walls. We're gonna use a rug doctor to get this floor right. We rented it for $32.
But the thing about, you see what I'm saying? Like, y'all didn't even clean this room at all.
Let's go ahead and get started. We're talking too much. We gotta get this finished. I want to return this rug doctor because I rented it
I know he
last
didn't
night.
say we talking too much.
So, yeah, they're talking too much actually.
You're talking
My
too
bad.
much, actually.
I'm saying.
Let's get started, you
You don't
guys.
even them have to work.
Like, I'm
Y'all are on
no, like, for real.
Hey, is this recording? No.
I'm tired.
Wait, why are you in this?
Lean, I can't see nothing.
Then don't put it that high.
My nigga. Back at it again.
Ah, Leah just got mad. He crossed up. She said.
Too hard. You better do it.
It's definitely getting stains out for sure.
Yeah.
Carpet still looks like crap, but hey, better than before, right?
I'll do it. Right.
Alright, so this is pretty much what the room looks like after using the rug doctor. I really recommend it because before, this specific area that wasn't covered by bed or mattress was extremely dirty, and it's starting to match up with the rest of the floor. So I'm really impressed with what it does. I'm gonna have to leave the windows open because it's not gonna focus. I'm gonna have to leave the windows open because it needs the air out so it doesn't smell like mildew in here the next day. All in all, they did a pretty good job. Let's show a comparison from the outside of the room, which will be fixed later, but see, I'm sure I kind of stopped. Look at the rest of the floor. That's what it looked like on the inside. It looks almost brand new. Like a brand new house. The mattress is outside on top of that car over there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There we go. And yeah, so I think we're gonna probably stop here today. We have to paint the wall still. If you can see here, we have all types of mishaps here, and things of that nature. So I'm gonna call it a day. I think we'll make this the part 1, and we're gonna hit you guys up with a part 2 vlog very shortly. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Comment if you have any questions. I'm gonna try to like do my best in the description to show you guys how to get a rug doctor. You can get these at Walmart, like I said again earlier, for like $30. So for 24 hours, you have to buy the formula. I bought their OxyClean. It's pretty empty now, but I bought their OxyClean rug doctor deep cleaner to pour inside the machine. It was about $14, and I bought the spray for $7. So yeah, but let me go ahead. I'm talking too much. I'm gonna close this out. This is JDMNEDU here. I'm out. Peace.